Hello again, everybody. This will be the final part of the basic tutorial for the turret setup and the tower defense series. After this, we'll get a little bit more advanced. But right now, we're going to be going over setting up range for the turrets. But first, I want to start commenting these out. Fire event. Update. Move this guy down. Down. Game loop. Okay. So first things first, what we want to do is we want to create a custom event. I'm sorry, I was reading. Update range. Okay. Get distance. Oops. Don't want to pull off there. To get player pawn, because you want it to be looking at the pawn, not the character itself. And of course we'll be working with this later. Okay, then the target is self, of course. New branch. And do less than or equal to. And we want to do attack range. And just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to lower this to 3,000. Let's try 3,000. And then plug that into the condition. And then we're going to need to set two of these guys. So if you click on it and hit Control W, it'll make a duplicate of what you have. This into false, this into true. And if get distance to the player pawn, so if the distance between the player pawn and itself is less than or equal to the attack range, which is 3,000, if it's true, set enemy in range to true. If it's false, enemy in range to false. I'll go over here, comment this. To comment, you highlight everything you want in it, hit C, and just type in what you want. Okay, now we have to update these ones. Things back, do a branch here, and get enemy in range, and pop it there. I'm actually just going to Control C that. And we also want it firing event as well. So only if enemy is in range. Okay, and now we of course want it to call our update range. Okay, compile, save. Let's test it out, shall we? Alright, let's bring this way down, maybe. As you you can see, it's not attacking me anymore. It's always looking for that range. So if we get into range, she starts attacking me again. Get out of range, it's not following me. Get in range, she starts following me. Alright, so that's how you update the range for your character, or I'm sorry, your turret. Not too bad. I don't need these. These are just getting in my... Alright, so I'm just gonna do some housekeeping right here. I want the game loop up top. Oops. You right there. You there. There. Makes it a little bit neater. Okay. What's next? Check my handy dandy notebook here. Alright, so this is the last tutorial for this short series. When I come back, we'll learn how to set up AI waves for an AI character continuously spawning different waves while they're being killed. Of course, that comes with setting up the behavior trees, animation blueprint, things like that. I won't go into in-depth with the animation blueprints. We'll take a short glimpse at the ones provided in Unreal Engine 4 and kind of move on from there. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.